In this video, we talk about the Liliaceae family. Here, the Liliaceae family is commonly called as a lily family. Commonly called as lily family, and these are the mostly widely spread in the world. These are the mesophytic plants. Here, in this mesophytic plants, some are the xerophytic plants. Most of all the mesophytic plants. It's some plants of these Liliaceae family are xerophytes. Here, example asparagus, ruscus, aloe vera. These are the xerophytic plants. These are the xerophytic plants, which means here these are which are grown in the under high temperature areas are also they are grown. And here it includes about 254 genera with 4075 species comes under 254 genera. Here some important plants of this family we are discussing. See here it is the scientific name. These are the scientific names and these are the common names. We have to discuss the scientific name with a common name. Here the Allium cepa, it is commonly called as onion. Here we are a well known onion. And here the Allium sativum, which is the scientific name of the garlic. And aloe vera, here is the scientific name of aloe or kalabanda. Okay, next asparagus racemosus, here it is the scientific name of asparagus. And here the Calchicum autumnale, here it is the common name is meadow saffron. Here the meadow saffron. And Drosina angustifolia, it is commonly called as a red dragon. And Gloriosa superba, it is commonly called as glory lily. And Smilax jalanica, here it is commonly called as sarsaparilla. And Yucca gloriosa, here it is commonly called as Spanish dagger. And another plant here, the Ruscus aculeata, here the witch's broom. And Scilla hyacinthiana, here it is commonly called as squill. And we have to discuss the vegetative characters of this family. Here the mostly these are the perennial herbs. Already we discussed what is meant by perennial. Here the mostly these are the perennial herbs with underground stems such as bulbs, culms, rhizome. Some are the shapes are with arborescent, some are herbs, some are shapes, some are arborescent, like which means a tree-like structure. Arborescent, which means a tree-like structure. Here it is a certain species of Drosina, Yucca, agave. These are comes under arborescent. Here are some are climbers like Smilax gloriosa. These are the climbers. And the next thing is the root system. Here the root system is the adventitious root system, not the tap root system. Because of here it is these are comes under the monocotyledonous family. So here it is the adventitious roots, not the tap root system. Here adventitious roots only. And these are the fasciculated tuberous in asparagus. Here the adventitious roots are modified into the swelling, like swelling, and which means here it is a storage of the food material. Here so that is the tuberous, the fasciculated fibrous roots. Here fasciculated fibrous roots, which means they are tuberous, which means here it is the storage of the food material which is present in the asparagus. And next stem, here the underground stem, here it is a underground stem. This stem is a perennial and a bulb. Here underground stem perennial bulb. Here which is example allium, lilium. Here these are the bulbs. Allium, lilium, underground stem. Here it is. These are called bulb. And carm. Example colchicum. And rhizome. Example gloriosa. Here these are the underground stem. These are all underground stem only, not the root system. Underground stem only. And some are the aerial, weak tendril. These are the underground. Some are aerial. What are the aerial? Here the some plants are in aerial condition. They are growing in aerial condition, and they are weak tendril and climbers like smilax and like gloriosa and smilax. And these are aerial one, and these are the climbers. And some plants are, see here the branches, some plants branches are modified into cladophylls. Example, see the asparagus and asparagus and ruscus. Here the branches of these plants are modified into the cladophylls, which means here the stem which is modified into leaf-like structure, that is called the cladophyll. Leaf-like, the stem which is modified into leaf-like structure, that is called a cladophyll, which is present in the asparagus and ruscus. And next, coming to the leaves. Here mostly the leaves are radical leaves, which means here the leaves are originated from the underground stem. The leaves are originated from the underground stem. Here like allium and lilium. And in some the leaves are kaline leaves, which means the leaves are originated on the stem. The leaves are originated on the stem. Example, here smilax gloriosa. And these leaves are the simple leaves, and they are alternate manner, which means here one is the left side, one is the right side. Here the alternate manner, they are arranged in alternate manner, and they are linear, exstipulate, there is no stipule. Here the absence of the stipule is there, and parallel venation is there. Here the parallel venation, not the reticulate venation. Here the parallel venation is there, because of here it is a atypical monocotyledonous family. And so here it is the exceptionally reticulate in smilax. Here exceptionally, here only the smilax. Here the exceptionally the reticulate venation which is present in the smilax. Remaining all the parallel venation, but in smilax the leaves are having reticulate venation. But in smilax have reticulate venation, the remaining all parallel venation. So these are the vegetative characteristics of the Liliaceae family. In the next video we will discuss the floral characteristics of the Liliaceae family. Thank you.